Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos. So CRO doesn't look too bad actually. It's quite a nice chart, as I already indicated in my previous videos where I looked at CRO from an Elliot wave point of view. We have here an impulsive wave 1, peaked in November 21, quite late towards the end of November, and then we came down here in a wave A, we moved up in a wave B, and we're now moving down in a wave C. A wave C in itself consists of 5 waves in itself, and you can therefore actually see this 5-wave move here indicated with those red waves, and again based on this wave count, quite similar to the quant video and many other cryptocurrencies which I'm currently updating. We've seen here a wave 1 already of the wave C, we've seen the wave 2, we've seen the wave 3. Yeah, we can always double check the Fibonacci extension levels of the wave 3 if they really reach the 1.618 Fib extension, because that is what they should do to count as wave 3. And what is so nice is that it really accurately hit that level. Yeah, if I zoom in, I mean, look at how relevant that 1.618 Fib extension is at 18.5 cents. Absolutely relevant. You can see that the price has been dancing for days on this 1.618 Fib extension. So that is good. Yeah, that is really good. And therefore this counts as wave 3 low. And we then moved up in a wave 4 here. Always worth checking the wave 4 retracement as well, because that should be at least the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we look at that, it actually shows that we haven't seen that yet. Yeah, so the retracement here has been very weak. So primarily for Cronos, I actually have to expect that this is still happening. Yeah, that this is still happening, that we should move at least to 24 cents once more in a wave 4. Alternatively, yeah, maybe we have to see, but even that didn't reach it. No. So yeah, I mean, again, these don't 100% work out, but usually a wave 4 should really move all the way up to at least the 23.6% Fib level. So that is actually primarily what I have to expect, that we see once more here a move up before, though, we come down in a wave 5. And that would then end somewhere here, the wave 5 of the wave C of the wave 2. So the good thing here is for CRO that it still has a lot of space. So CRO actually could move all the way down to the 88.7% Fib level without a problem. And that level is at 11 cents. No problem at all. Yeah, I've highlighted the importance of the 88.7% Fib level in previous videos for a while now. And yeah, I mean, here from 17 cents, CRO could still drop around about 35% without having a problem. So therefore, I think this actually would also be a probable or likely target for the low of this correction, the 88.7% Fib level. And that would make CRO look actually really good. But ideally, we want CRO first to move a little bit higher in a wave 4. I mean, again, it's never 100% guaranteed. You know, these are likely moves, very likely moves. But this is based on the Fibonacci retracements. I just have to expect it. But then if I look at the wave or the actual, to be honest, I think this here was a glitch. That peak down that you can see, I think that was a glitch in the chart on FTX. It would surprise me, but or maybe not, you know. But today it made here quite a strong move down. However, it didn't make a lower low compared to the wave 3. But it broke down here below previous swing lows, actually indicating that this wave 4 could already be complete. Yeah, and that we're already moving down in an impulsive wave down, that we're just starting that. Therefore, we could assume that maybe that move up isn't happening. So it's difficult times at the moment. I think, you know, above the 78.6% Fib level, if we break above that level, the 78.6% Fib level, which is at, yeah, pretty much 20 cents. If we move above that, no, it's a bit higher. Where is it? 20.7 or something. Let me just take a look. Yeah, 20.7 cents. So let's say if we break above 21 cents, I think only then we can assume that we are going to make a higher high here in, and that the wave 4 isn't finished yet. At the moment, it's difficult, right? It's difficult because ideally I want the price to make that 23.6% retracement, which it hasn't done. The way it looks at the moment is that we are already starting the downtrend here in the wave 5, but I have to expect still, I don't want to rule it out that we're going to see a higher high here for the wave 4. Absolutely, I can't rule it out, because in that wave 4, as one of the only cryptos that I do analyze, it hasn't reached the minimum that a wave 4 actually needs to do. It's a bit strange, a bit concerning, shows a bit of the weakness in the chart, but could be that we've already started that wave 5 here, and then we see here the possible target of 11 cents. But maybe even lower, yeah. And if I look at lower price levels than 11, so lower prices than the 88.7% Fib level, should we really lose it, you can just straight away see that we had a previous swing low here at 7.5 cents back in June 21. I think we could come down to that level once more if we really have to. From there on, I would expect a turnaround. Yeah, CRO needs to do that turnaround, or again, it will also get in trouble here. But if it does the turnaround, then we can expect here a new move up. And if we then break above that wave B high, that will already reduce a lot of the selling pressure and downward momentum in the chart. And that level is at 55 cents. If we move above that, then make a new all-time high, then what would be the price target for the next bull run? Again, it's far away now, but let's just take a look. And let's say we really reach here the low at 11 cents. Then the next target for that wave 3, already indicated here, would be at least $1.68, pretty much a 10x from here. That is the minimum target, that is the 1.618 Fib extension, the minimum that a wave 3 would need to reach. So as I already mentioned, we've made a wave 1 here, we're probably still in the wave 2. That's probably not finished yet. We see one more lower low in my opinion, before we then turn around and will move up in a wave 3. Bear in mind where I've positioned the wave 3 here, those are not time targets. Yeah, that can take months, it can even take years. Nobody knows that, and we have to be honest about that. But yeah, this is certainly possible as a next price target if we make a new all-time high. And that is also where I would see CRO in the next bull run. Okay, and that is my view here about CRO Cronos. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.